أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربي يسر ولا تؤسر وتمم بالخير ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما أما بعد Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, welcome to our course Digital Maulvi LQ course. This is our second lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn three types of words in Arabic language. So there are three types of words in Arabic language, only three types. There is no other types of words in Arabic language, only three types of words. If you look at the Quran, so in Quran, every word will be fall into one of those three category. Okay, so there is no another option or there is no another words in Arabic, only three types of words. So let's look at the board, what are those and how we can recognize those words. Okay, so let's look at the board. Words. So I just want to let you know that in Arab people don't say word, they say kalima, because the word is called in Arab, the word is called kalima in Arabic language. So they don't say word, they say kalima. So I'll also mention that also. Kalima. Okay, so there are three types of words. Three types. What are those? Let's look at the board. Number one, ism. Ism. Number two, fi'al. Number three, harf. So these are the three types of words in Arabic language, and you can also say that these are the parts of speech of Arabic language. These are the three parts of speech of Arabic language. So in English language, we know there are 10 parts of speech, or you can say 11 parts of speech. So in Arabic language, these are the three parts of speech. So we are going to look at the ism, that what is ism and what are the parts of speech fall into the category of ism. Okay, parts of speech of English language. What are the parts of speech of English language fall into the ism category, and what are the parts of speech English parts of speech fall into the fi'al category, or what are the English parts of speech fall into the harf category. So that will help you to understand easily. Okay, that will help you to understand easily. So let's look at the board. What is ism? Let's learn that. What is ism and what are the parts of speech of English language fall into ism category? Let's look at that. So first we are going to look that what are the parts of speech of English language, the English language fall into ism category. So let's look at that. Ism, I will say ism. Ism. It is also a definition of ism. Okay, you can say also definition. Like noun falls into ism category. Number 2, pronouns also fall into ism category. Pronoun, then adjective, adverb, article, and helping verb. Helping verb means he, she, it, was, were. There, that is also called helping verb. And auxiliary verb, model auxiliary, can, could, should, may, that is also included in ism. Okay, so helping verb, helping verbs, and exclamation. Exclamation. Okay, so these are the parts of speech fall into ism category. So if I said ism, that means you have to understand that I am talking about noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, article, helping verbs, and exclamation. Okay, so though if a word is noun, then it will fall into ism category. If a word is pronoun, then that it also will fall into ism category. If a word is adjective, that will be fall into ism category. If a word is an adverb, that will be fall into ism category. Okay, so these are the words that fall into ism category. So what are the parts of speech of the English language fall into fi'l category? So fi'l means, you can easily say fi'l means verb. Okay, verb. Of the parts of speech of English language, fi'l means verb. Fi'l is it definition means a fi'l is a word which has tense, present, past, or future, and verb also that type of word. The verb also has tense, present, past, future. So fi'l means verb. Okay, in English language you can say fi'l. If I say fi'l in Arabic, then you can say in English verb. Okay, so harf has two category of that parts of speech, like preposition and conjunction. So now we can count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the 10 parts of speech of the English language fall into these 3 categories. So these are the 3 parts of speech of the Arabic language, and these are the 10 parts of speech of the English language. So now I hope you understand the difference. Ism will carry these parts of speech of English language. Fi'l will carry verb, and harf will carry preposition and conjunction. Okay, if a word is preposition, then that will fall into harf category. You have to understand what is preposition called in Arabic, harf. What is conjunction called in Arabic, harf. What is verb called in Arabic, fi'l. What is noun called in Arabic, ism. What is pronoun called in Arabic ism. What is adjective is called in Arabic, ism. Okay, so these are the ism, and the verb is fi'l, and preposition and conjunction are the harf. Okay, so now I hope you understand. So these are the types of words in Arabic language, and you can say these are the parts of speech of the Arabic language. Okay, so first we are going to learn ism.